I'm sitting on the couch, remote control in hand, trying to change the channel, but nothing goes as planned. The screen stays dark, no matter how I press. The batteries are dead, but I cannot suppress. The remote's power's fading, the battery's going weak, yet still I pound the buttons. My frustration starts to peak. The urge to press harder, as if that would do the trick to make this thing work, to make my TV flick. Why do I do this when I know it won't work? Is it just a reflex or a subconscious quirk? I pummel the buttons with increasing might, hoping futile hopes that it will make things right. I try and again I try. It seems a fight that is uphill. No matter how much force my goal it won't fulfill. Is it a primal instinct to push harder when things fail? A desperate attempt to make the broken prevail? Or is it just a habit ingrained in my mind, a learned behavior that no logic can unwind? I was at the office working on a case. A feeling of frustration took over the space. The evidence was thin, the leads, they were all gone. The case, it was a loser, and the truth had lost its dawn. The clients, they were counting on our skills, on our brains, but the case, it was a loser. That's the truth that still remains. We searched, we investigated, we tried to make it right, knowing full well it was an unwinnable fight. I'm not alone in the sad, futile act of pressing and pressing, while I know for a fact that the case is a lost cause. But still I keep pressing. I am still hoping for applause, yet I do try to learn from the remote's fading light, to accept when it's time to start a new fight. For in the realm of lost and futile cases, I will find the power to just finally face it. The remote lies silent, the batteries run dry, yet me, I pound the buttons, refusing to let it die. Yes, I know that it is hopeless, the power is all but gone, but something drives me onward, to keep pushing on and on. I cling to fading embers, unwilling to accept defeat, as if sheer force of will could make this thing repeat. The remote lies lifeless, the batteries lost their spark. A lesson in acceptance, a time to heed the dark. The channels flicker, the sound cuts out, a frustrating reminder of what I'm all about. I cling to the past, to what used to be, repelled by the present, this new reality I can't decree. I feel the power slipping, the hope beginning to fade, but still I push and I push, I'm willing to be dismayed. Why do I press harder when hope is running thin? Another desperate attempt to make the signal win. Why do I press harder? Why do I press harder when I know it's in vain? A mystery, perhaps, that even you cannot explain. A mystery, perhaps.